We all know that algae blooms are a huge problem and that it's only getting worse. Warming temperatures and excessive nutrients are to blame. The standard solution has been to pour chemicals into the water to kill the algae, but unfortunately, chemicals frequently hurt. Other life forms are expensive, require continuous treatments, and burden already overworked staff. Chemicals in the form of algaecides are prohibited by some states in the United States. What's needed is a solution that is sustainable, environmentally friendly, cost-effective, and safe to use. Enter ultrasound. This illustrates the effects of creating structural resonance through sound waves. This is similar to what ultrasound does underwater, with algae being the target, not a wine glass. Unfortunately, this is done far more gently without hurting other forms of life, like an opera singer. An ultrasonic device sends out sound waves that can create structural resonance. This resonance disrupts the inner cell walls of the algae, causing it to sink and die. Yet no harmful toxins are released, and there's no threat to other forms of life. SonicPure is the next generation of ultrasonic appliances in the market. Our products produce over 4,000 frequencies across 360 degrees for effective algae control, plus remote monitoring and durable operation. We are committed to helping return water to its natural state. Learn more by visiting sonicpure.com.